Hello, friends. Friends, it's very important for us to discuss our real nature. What's your real nature? जल का बहाव आप में है, आकाश का विस्तार आप में है, धरती की शक्ति आप में है और सूर्य का प्रकाश आप में है, वायु का एसेंस आप में है. After Lord Krishna said in Gita that even these five elements are my lower nature. My real nature is the essence of it. My real nature is the essence of all these five elements, which as a combined is a human being. So, what is the beauty of the real essence in a human being? The beauty is that आपको एक ऐसी सोच दी गई है जो अपरंपार है, जो असीम है, और there is no pre-programming on that, uh, on your thoughts. There's no pre-programming on your consciousness. It's not limited, it's unlimited, because every other species you will find they have pre-programming. They can't go beyond the limit, but you have been given unlimited consciousness. So that is why you're called Devon ke Dev, right? That is why you're called supreme human being, supreme amongst the species. So we have been talking about it time and again, but let's repeat this today again. वो तत्व जो आपको महिमा देता है, जो प्रकाश देता है, वो गुरु का तत्व आप सबके अंदर है. आप उसका इस्तेमाल करें और आगे बढ़ें. आज की यात्रा शुरू करते हैं. Although I already started at 2:47 a.m., right? Let's now continue with our rest of the dimensions, where we would like to pay attention. Definitely we'll pay attention to stocks and shares today, because we are already done with our spiritual dimension. Now let's proceed further and bend our mind towards that area also, which gives us that opportunity in life that we can have comfortable life, in a sense that in order for you to fulfill whatever you wish to consume today, you need money for it, right? So let's pay attention to that also equally and continue with our journey. But don't forget your own essence, which is unlimited and boundless. You are the source, and we remain grateful to the universe for making us like that, right? Because we can't make ourselves. That is what makes us humble. That is where the humility comes into picture, that you can't create yourself, but you can make use of this creation. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.